Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a reputable VPN and creating an account. This matters because a no-logs provider preserves privacy. Once done, verify your email and choose a plan that fits your needs. Download the official app for your operating system and install it following on-screen prompts. Make sure to grant necessary permissions, such as network access. This first step gets you from decision to action quickly, so your device is ready for secure connections. You now configure the app. Sign in and enable critical protections like the kill switch and DNS leak prevention so your traffic won't leak if the VPN drops. Next, choose a protocol. WireGuard gives you faster performance. OpenVPN is solid for older systems. Then pick a server location. Nearby servers reduce latency, while a specific country helps access region-restricted content. Finally, connect and confirm your IP address, changed to ensure that you finish by verifying the connection. Check your IP and run a DNS leak test to confirm privacy. Once verified, browse using private mode or a separate profile to reduce linkage to accounts. This complements the VPN. If a site blocks VPN traffic or pages load slowly, switch servers, change the protocol, or clear cookies and cache. Those steps usually resolve issues. If the app still fails, restart the device and the VPN app. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.